Hello guys, welcome back to Vodafone CODERS channel. Now on this episode, we are going to let you know some generic attributes of HTML5. Yeah, before we start, the other day we ended at that's this section. That's the international attributes of HTML5. So today we're going to learn some small information about the generic attributes of HTML5. Now to start, we are having an outline, and that line we are going to get some options that's right, left, center, and it gives us the horizontal outline types, and that BG color is also its full name is background color, and its option I can get numeric and hexadecimal also RGB values, and place the function place a background color behind an element, and ID that's also explained in the other video, name an element for use within with cascade style sheet, and also similar to the class, the titles will pop up titles of the elements. So without wasting much time, let's create a new file and name the file as generic. Attributes of HTML. Okay, so we need to get a folder and refresh and see our new file that is generic attributes. Yeah. Now you can see there. Okay, let's open up basic skeleton of HTML. That's HTML. Sorry. HTML. The title should be title can be any of your choice, but I'll name one generic attributes. Then we'll be taking the first attributes as that's the outline. So I'll open my head one tag, and then in site, and then I'll save it, and then okay, welcome to my website. That's the default is already an outline left, so taking the first option as right, so I'm going to give it here, give it the option, this it, so you can keep outline, and then the option is right, so outline right, and then refresh it. You get to know that if you refresh the page, it will pull it to the right hand side of the browser. You can see it has pulled to the right hand side. I'm opening them, so you see right now. Now that's it, and then without wasting much time, we follow up to the next option. So same as the one, and then you can copy and you using it. Yeah, that's the welcome to my website. I can copy that and use it, but it will also help you to go faster. And then then as I said, its default is also already at the left side, so check the next option at the left, so you can keep it here, align left. It is already at the left side, so even if we refresh how many times, it will still be there. Then taking the next option, taking the next option, that's center. So you get to know that if you're given the attribute and then the option, it will pull this welcome to my website to the center of the web page. Okay, you type in outline center, so refresh it, then you get to know that it has been in the center of the web page, your browser. So in the next attribute, you're going to take in the background, that's the BG color, and it says that's numeric and hexadecimal, that's the options, and the function plays the background color behind the element. So I'm going to give a background color. So if you want a background color in this whole our page, that's our page, it's very simple. That's gonna give an attribute here. The attribute will be here inside the body so that it will affect the whole page. Else, if you bring it in the place elsewhere, it will not affect the whole page. It will affect only that portion. If you understand me right. So I'm gonna give the attribute here. That's bg color is equal to. Now you can give whatever color you want, but I'll be using orange and orange. That's you get to know that the background color has changed to orange. You can give any color of yours, and then you're good to go. So the next attribute, you're going to take the ID that was explained in the other video, so I'm not going to take that, and also the title, so explained in the other video. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll be very glad if you have any things that bother my mind and you ask me in the comment section, and also if you're a new person to watch it, really you to go back and watch the other videos so that you don't get stuck in the way or leave stone unturned. But with all tomorrow, sorry not tomorrow, but the other video learning also a different section, so you need to stay tuned and connected. Please click on the bell and give thumbs up to receive any notification if there's an upload of video. And also you should check out my channel on creating of viruses. That's also helping to create your own virus and a whole lot to discuss. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.